Welcome again. Chapter number 10, ICT. Video part number 6, Information Communication Technology. Student, previous video we learn Word, Excel, PowerPoint and precautions while data entering information. Also PDF Reader, Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat Reader and browser, Internet Explorer. Okay, it's help to view worldwide pages view. Okay, I'll describe these applications in ICT videos. Okay, so let's go on. Next point of this chapter. Students, see this. While studying subject of science and technology, you have to actually make use of information communication technology that you learned in this lesson. Do take the help of your teachers as well as your parents and friends if you need it. Okay, some uses of information communication technology are given in the boxes below. What are its other uses? See this. Demonstration. Some experiment and concept in science can be demonstrated easily and effectively by using simulation and animation. For example, functioning of the nervous system or nervous system function, how to works it. So it's described or shows with the virtual animation. Okay. Then prediction. Prediction can be made after complying the processing information, for example, meteorology, weather, etc. Collecting scientific information, internet, emails, news group, blogs, chat rooms, Wikipedia, video conference, etc. Collecting scientific information. Okay. Internet, emails, news group, blogs, chat rooms, and Wikipedia and video conferencing, etc. Now, why we learn information communication technology? Because we want opportunities for income. So these opportunities in the of computer fields. Software field. This is an important field. You can create software. Lots of software available into market, game, operating system, hardware operating, or accounting, different type of softwares available into market. You can generate your own application also. Having accept the challenge of creating software, many companies have entered this field. The opportunities in the software field can be classified follow. Application, useful applications, program and development software. Software packages development like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Microsoft Office and different type of applications package. Operating system, Also antivirus software, operating systems. You know about Microsoft Windows, Linux, Android operating system, Apple. So operating system and utility development. Utility means what? So extra small applications for regularly use like calculator, calendar, different type of small uses of applications. Special purpose scientific applications. So lots of opportunity in software field. Now hardware field. Today there are several companies in our country to which make computers. They sell computers they have themselves made. Other sell computers brought from outside as well as repair them and take maintenance contracts. Take maintenance contract to keep computers in big companies working efficiently without a break. Without a break. So plenty of jobs are available here. Lot of job available into this area. This there are jobs opportunity in hardware designing also. Hardware different type of new hardware designing also. Hardware production also. After designing, production is most important part. So production also. Hardware assembly. After production, it must assemble to make a machine. Okay. So assembly also and testing hardware. Maintenance. After assembling, hardware machine is working properly or not. So testing hardware, servicing and repairs. After sale, servicing and repairs is most part of service. Okay, so hardware field also most of job opportunities. Then mark trading, training, training also a new entrance, various type of computer institute, various type of machine engineering college, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, different type of colleges, institutes available into market. So they required trainer also. So for training job, a vast field. It is very important have dedicated teachers who are competent in the field of computers. Marketing. There are many establishments which makes and sell computers and related accessories. They need to good sales personnel who are experienced in the working of computer. After manufacturing product, marketing also most important part because product must sell. So as well as the scaling is marketing also. Marketing area also various type of job available. Last information, see this. Institute at Work, CDAC, the work known Center of Development of Advanced Computing situated in Pune, is the leading institute in India which conducts research in the field of computers. The first Indian supercomputer was made with help of this institute. Valuable guidance for making this computer the Param computer. Name this computer Param. Was received from the senior scientist Vijay Bhatkar. The Param means supreme. The computer can perform 1 billion calculations per second. It is used in many fields like space research, movements in the interior of the earth, research in oil deposits, medicine, meteorology, engineering, military, etc. CDAC has also participated in developing the ISCII code for writing different languages scripts, Indian script code for information and internet interchange. Students, this is last part of our chapter. We learn. Watch these videos carefully and solve exercise. This is important for our examination also. I'll see you ICT videos. Bye.